Assalamu alaikum. Hello and warm welcome to all of you. Dear students, today I am here with the seventh part of Political Science chapter number 5, Working of Institution. Dear friends, in the previous lecture, I had discussed the functions and powers of Prime Minister in India. Prime Minister is the most powerful person in cabinet. However, in recent years, the rise of coalition politics has imposed certain restrictions on the power of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister of coalition government cannot take decision as he likes because he has to consult coalition partner at a time of decision making. Today we are going to discuss the powers and functions of president. First, I would like to give you the executive power of president in India. President of India appoint Prime Minister and Council of Minister, Chief Justice, Judges of Supreme Court, High Court, Chairman and members of Union Public Service Commission are appointed by President of India. So this is we can call executive power of president. Now legislative power of president. No bill can become a law without his approval. Both the houses of the parliament pass the bill, but it cannot become a law until it is approved by the president in the country. President has also power to nominate 12 members of the Rajya Sabha and 2 members to the Lok Sabha. So this is the legislative power of president in country. Now the financial power. No financial bill can be placed in the parliament before his recommendation. Without the recommendation of president, no financial bill can be placed in the parliament of the country. President permit to place the annual budget in the parliament. So at the time of budget, parliament or ruling party has to take the permission of the president regarding the budget. So this is the financial power of president in the country. Now the judicial power of president. President can grant pardon or remission of punishment. If any accused person is awarded sentence by the High Court, he or she has right to approach the Supreme Court. If Supreme Court agree with the decision of High Court, the person can appeal to the President to grant the pardon or remission of punishment. President can reduce the sentence or punishment. President can consult Supreme Court on constitution or law related matter. So this is we can call judicial power of president in the country. Emergency power. President has power to proclaim emergency in consultation with Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. So this is the emergency power of President in India. Here I would like to compare the President and Prime Minister. So dear students, President is the head of the state. On the other hand, Prime Minister is the head of the government. Now, I would like to give you the description of the appointments done by the President of the country. First, as you know that President appoint the Prime Minister, the leader of majority party in Parliament. Even all the major appointments are made in the name of the President. These include the appointment of Chief Justice of India, the judges of Supreme Court and the High Court of the states, the governors of the states, the election commissioners, ambassadors to other countries, etc. All these appointments are made with the name of President. Even all international treaties and agreements are made in the name of the President. The President is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Forces of India. So these are the powers and functions of President in India. With this, I would like to conclude my today's lecture. Inshallah, we will meet very soon with a new part of the same chapter. Allah Hafiz.